Hello and welcome everyone to another video in this channel. So in today's video, we're going to go through the seventh question in the WAEC 2025 Mathematics Past Question and Answer. So in this video, we have it that in a class of 42 students, 21 offer history and 28 offer government. If each student offers at least one of the two subjects, find the probability that a student selected as random from the class offers government only, and the options are A is equal to 1 over 6, B is 1 over 3, C is 1 over 2, and D is 3 over 4. Okay, so let's go with first trying to sketch what this particular thing is going to look like in a Venn diagram. So you're going to have a set of persons that are actually offering government, and at some point, some persons will offer government and history. So this set is actually going to intersect. So this is actually the set of persons offering history. So this one is a set of persons that are offering both government and history, which is represented by G intersection H, or at some point H intersection G. They are the same thing. So we're going to have the universal set actually. Just trying to sketch this. Let me remove this. That's the universal set. Okay, so let's actually write out what we have here. We have that the total number of of students is equal to 42, and then the students offering history, which we're going to say is um, the number of students offering history is going to be equal to what? 21, as given from the question. The number of students offering government is 28, so that is actually equal to 28. Okay, now they said that each student offers at least one subject. So each student offers at least one subject. So that means that the intersection of, or sorry, the union of both of these sets, which is n of H union G, is going to be equal to 42 also, because if both of the students, or if all the students offers government and history, that means they are all going to be located inside of these two sets, and that means there's nothing outside, and that also means that the intersection of this, or the union of these two sets rather, is actually going to be equal to the total number of the students. Okay, now we're going to use the principle of inclusion exclusion of set. This says that when we have that the number of persons, okay, the number of persons that are actually offering both government and history is going to be equal to the number of students offering government only plus the number of students offering history only minus the number of students that are actually offering either subject. All right. So in this case, which is H union G. Okay. Now, so we have that the persons offering both history and government is unknown, right? But the number of students offering government is 42, right? And the number of students offering history is 21. And the number of students that are actually offering both of the courses, or in this case, the total number of students is 40. Sorry, this should have been 21, not let me try to write this out. So n of G is 28. That should have been 28. And here should have been 42. So 28 plus 21 is going to be equal to 49 minus 42. And that is actually going to be equal to 7. So the persons in this particular category that offers both government and history, actually equal to 7. But we're actually looking for the persons that offer government only. So if I want to look at those that offer government only, I'm going to look at everybody that offers government minus those that actually offer both government and history. So the ones that are offering government only, number of students offering, let me put it this way, number of students offering government only is going to be equal to the number of students offering government minus the number of students offering both history and government. And the number of students offering government is given by what? Given by 28. So that would be equal to minus number of students offering history and government, which is 7. That's going to be equal to 21. So now we have the persons offering government only. So now the probability of the person that offer both, sorry, that offers only government, probability of the persons offering government only is going to be given by, in terms of probability, we are going to have it as equal to what? Number of students offering government only, number of students that are offering government only, number of students that offer government only divided by the total number of students. That's how you calculate probability, total number of students. And in this case, the total number of students offering government only is given as what? 21. And the number of students that are in that particular sample is what? 42. So there is actually 21 in 21, that's once, and also there's 21 in 42, that's twice. So that means the probability is actually going to be equal to 1 over 2, and that is actually option C. Okay, so based on what you've learned in this video, here's a similar question for you to solve. It says, in a class of 50 students, 30 offer mathematics and 35 offer physics. If each student offers at least one of the two subjects, find the probability that a student selected at random from the class offers physics only. And the options are A equals 1 over 5, B is 2 over 5, C is 3 over 5, and D is 4 over 5. To solve this question and give me your answers in the comment section. If you like this video, help me to subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your colleagues. Without much further ado, I will leave it to it that math is easy. Do have a nice time. Bye.